Morning, this is Wes from the W Farmstead. What I'm doing today is Tanya, cut that out. Morning, this is Wes from W Farmstead. So what my plans are today, as I scratch my head right here, sorry about that. When we do our mowing out here, we have a lot of limbs and stuff like that that hang down. So about every other year we need to go and we need to trim up a bunch of trees and stuff like that, so so that we can mow under them without getting whacked in the face and stuff, because that stuff tends to hurt a little bit. But what I've got is we're getting together here, and my tool of choice today is, if we turn around here, I've got a Shindaiwa M230 that's a multi-tool, and then I've got this, which is a short pole saw attachment, and then I got this longer one here that runs all the way down here. I hope you're seeing it. I can't see anything by this old GoPro, but that is what I'm using, are those today. So I'm going to go on ahead and head out in the with the tractor here, and we'll go out there and we'll cut all this stuff down. And while we're doing it, what we'll do is we'll pile it in nice little piles, and then we can go back a little bit later on with the grapple and pick it up. Makes it a heck of a lot easier than what it used to be. You used to run around with a trailer of some kind, like this trailer right there with the wheelbarrow on it, hooked to the UTV. And then what we would do is we would throw the limbs and everything else that we cut on that, and then we would take it out there and dump it on the pile. So I'm sorry to make you dizzy by spinning you around all over the place, but let's go on ahead and get started. So bear with me. You know, as you can tell, I'm probably getting my head in and out, so I'm trying to get arm's length here. So let's go on ahead and start it out. Ooh, look at there. I don't know if you can see that. That's a hawk. Hear it? There's several of them. There's like 3 of them. I don't know if you can hear that. Here's the one that just screamed right here. But look at them all. There's 3 of them there. That's amazing. I don't know if you can see them. I'm trying, so bear with me. But yeah, you can see all 3 of them right there. I thought I saw a 4th one. It took off to the south of us. But you hear them? Just watch for a minute and relax. Okay, so let's see what we can do about getting a little bit of work done. Okay. Okay. Got the multi-tool ready. Let's go on ahead and take down a little bit of this tree, see how we can do. I apologize for the view, but without a camera person like Tanya with me, it kind of gets bad. So let's go on ahead and get started. So what I did, I had to take out part of this tree because he couldn't come down through the driveway here. Was the main thing. So it's been a long time since we've taken and trimmed that part up. So this will be good because we couldn't get through here. I couldn't bring my truck or vehicles or anything really through there without the branches hitting the vehicle. So that's cleaned out. So now what I want to do is I want to put on the small head, the short head, and I want to kind of trim these up a little bit because you can see going down through there, you tend to get hit by those in the summertime when we're mowing. Okay? Okay. I know you can't see me. You can see my legs. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to change out these heads. These Shindaiwas are pretty easy. Just take and twist that off, and you got a little piece in here, and you just pull it right off. And then it's got a little sleeve you put on there to protect the gearing. I want to put this back on and go right like that. So here's the other one. So you have to push this down and then push that in. And what it has, I don't know if you can see, but there's splines right there that have to fit in on the spline in here. So this is a male end, and this side has a female end. So I push down on this, and there we go. I got it straight in there, and it's locked in now. So I just put that like that, and then tighten it right down, and it's ready. Okay, let's get some of this trimmed up. Okay, I think that looks pretty good down through there now. I'm just going to pile it up so we can grab it with the grapple, and Little hint, don't open your mouth when you're sitting there cutting above you. Sawdust does go into your mouth, I tell you. I wonder about me at times. Okay, so, man, you can see down through there. That looks a lot better down through there. And then down through here on the driveway. That looks a ton better. So, let's see what else we can get into. All right, so I'm gonna try and trim this tree up a little bit behind me. This thing always whacks me every time I'm mowing. So I'm definitely looking forward to getting this. Oh, here we go. So you can kind of see all this laying down. Right around in here. Run around here and get all this taken care of. So I'll put you back here so you can kind of watch. Okay.
Your love is like an ocean ready
Okay, so we got that cleaned up. Hold on, let me get this music off. I can barely even hear. Okay, so we trimmed it all up underneath pretty good. That ought to last here for another 2 years and keep from smacking me while I'm under there mowing. So, all right.
Yep.
Swept by current, swallowed by wave. Take heed, they'll say, no, no, no need to get out. Just stay on a lovely holiday. Our love is easy lasting. Holiday so easy passing. Our love is easy lasting. Holiday so easy passing. Together we're an island, only grains of sand. You and me make one if you're counting on my hand. Take heed, they'll say, no, no, no need to get out. Just stay on a lovely holiday. Lovely holiday. Our love is easy lasting. Holiday so easy passing. Our love is easy lasting. Holiday so easy passing.
Okay, there you guys are. Kinda lost you. Sorry about that. You know what I think happened? I guess I hit these twigs up here and didn't even notice it. Well, sorry about that. Yeah, it looks like we got everything pretty much done. We went down through here and picked up down here in the bottom. Picked up everything and then took and you can turn around and see, piled everything else up the way the heck out there. So it's pretty much what we're gonna do today. Apologize for dropping you. I'm glad to see you're still okay. Y'all have a good one, and get a chance, hit the like button. Talk to you later.